Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Friday the 9th of May. I'm going to move on to dollar yen, and dollar yen remains under pressure, certainly on the daily chart. That this uptrend, very slight uptrend support is remaining under pressure in the last few days, and we've now had 2 days in a row where we've been trading below that 144-day moving average, which had been the base of support. Now that would suggest that that is now failing as a basis of support, and we need to start possibly looking elsewhere. And that uptrend is the case, is where we're looking at in terms of support. That currently comes in on the uptrend at 101.58. So that is the focus we need to be looking at now. Will this uptrend break down? The factors on this daily chart would suggest that the bullish arguments are being ticked off. Certainly that 144-day moving average is no longer in supportive. Also, the MACD lines are just turning negative again. Now, I would say that this RSI, which generally tends to find support just under 40, has still got a little bit of downside. It's up at 41, but it's sort of not a million miles away from a level at which the support has come in throughout this uptrend. So just bear that in mind. That could be a factor. Also, these stochastics lines, to be honest, are still above 20. So they're not really giving, they've not really unwound enough yet to give a bona fide buy signal, which has to take place generally below 20. So that is another factor at play. So the bullish arguments are being ticked off here, and it suggests that there is further downside potential in this move, and you could see further pressure on that 101.40 mark that we saw on Wednesday. On the intraday chart, you've still got, just actually in the last few days, this 89-hour moving average has become the basis of resistance, which is interesting. And also these momentum indicators, which are in negative configuration, have again unwound and are maybe looking to turn lower again, certainly with the stochastics having already reached over 80 and beginning to turn down. That would suggest possibly losing that upside momentum in this slight recovery that we've seen over the past 24 hours. So again, you've got this resistance band that comes in around 101.80 to 102, big figure, and that has been capping the gains over the last few days. So it would suggest that rallies are being sold into, and you're going to get further pressure on this 101.40 mark. For that to be completely turned around, I think there would need to be a break above that 102.18 level that was the high back from the 6th of May. So that is my outlook on dollar yen. I think it's selling into strength for a retest of the lows. Okay, so I will wish you good luck, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.